spend time in a dressing room? Mm-hmm. You know how difficult it can be to find that perfect pair of anything.
Of anything?
Anything. Bathing suits, jeans, you name it.
Yeah, I know the bathing suit is an issue, but we're talking about pants. And one company has zeroed in on what makes pants fit perfectly.
Perfectly?
Perfectly.
Okay.
Lauren Glassberg is here. She says it's a perfect fit.
Well, the owners of this company are creating pants that fit men. The owners, you see, are men, and they struggled finding the perfect fit for themselves. Nice. They found that high-end designers often design for slim models, and more affordable brands often don't provide a close enough fit. So that is where their pants come in.
We're going to make 300 pairs.
Brian Spaley and Andy Dunn are on a mission to get men into the pants they make and out of the ones that don't flatter them. You know, the ones that cinch around the waist or hang a bit too low. There's even a name for that look.
We call it KDB. It's khaki diaper butt.
Khaki diaper butt, something they say guys won't get wearing a pair of bonobos. The secret is in the waistband.
Is in the waistband, which is curved and better accommodates most men's anatomy.
Brian is the designer. He made his first pair out of frustration, and on a whim, he started selling them to his friends at Stanford Business School.
I knew my buddies would buy, like a pair of pants to support me, but when they came back and were like, I want 2 more pairs because they fit better than any other pants I've ever owned, that's when I sort of thought maybe I had something.
His best friend believed in him, and now he's the company's CEO, so we'll let him explain the name, Bonobos, inspired by the bonobo.
It's a chimpanzee. It's known to be the most sexually promiscuous animal in the animal kingdom.
Yeah, well, back to the pants. They're made for guys who are stylish but don't want to bother shopping at stores. Bonobos are only sold online. Everything's made in New York.
We'll probably do 300 in the first cut.
Brian and Andy only launched their site last October, and already men in 28 countries have bought a pair, taking a big bite out of that khaki diaper butt problem.
We feel like we have a mission to serve not just to men who are our customers, but also to the women that love them, to flatter their figure a little bit more with the Bonobos cut of trousers.
Now, in addition to pants, Bonobos sells shorts and belts and is planning on introducing shirts as well. The pants start selling at $110 and go up from there. Check out 7 online for more information.
Yeah, no more khaki diaper butt.
Don't you just love that description?
I wasn't sure I was going to like this story, but I liked what we got to see there.
Yeah, not bad. A little eye candy.
Little men's derriere. It's okay.
Sorry, Lee.
Thanks for taking care of the guys every once in a while. It's nice to. I don't think there's any question about it. I'm going right to you after the. I'll go to 7online.com too.
7online.com.
That's good stuff. Yeah, I liked it. It almost looked like a tie was around the waistband on one of them. So that's pretty cool.
Belts, yeah.
Very cool. All right, look forward to that.